Okay, we are going to do something with the camera because most people probably don't ever go up on a roof like this. I decided I'd grab the camera and take you along for a real quick ride. It's cold. Wind chill's negative today. At least it was when I left this morning. So this won't be a long stop, but got called out for a repair quote on this job, and turns out it's not a repair it needs. My recommendation is a new roof. Yes, I'm in an undisclosed location. It's a beautiful property that's for sale. Sorry, I can't ever give away addresses and names. I'm gonna start off by roping the ladder off. We're gonna check under here, see what kind of decking it is. In this case, it's OSB decked over 1x. It's an organic 3-tap shingle. Let's run up here so you guys can see what a roofer sees on a steep roof. So there's a lot of growth up here. Yeah, some of these sometimes can be washed and sprayed with a soft wash chemical and clean it down, but if you look over here, there is a granule loss and shingles kind of deteriorating here. There's been a patch there, probably wind damage, don't know. Check this section, it's OSB over 1x. We're gonna go up a little further and it gets worse from here. This is an east facing side. It's kind of crumbling apart. I'm not even gonna attempt a repair on that or quote a repair because it will continue to break. Ridge cap across the top has got some sign of definite wear. Now hold on, people. I can tell you if I happen to fall, it ain't gonna hurt you, but oh boy. Nah, it's really not that bad. I wouldn't be up here if I didn't feel comfortable. So here's the section with curled tabs I was asked to get a quote for repair. It's not a couple curled tabs, it's the whole section. Same on this one right here, south facing. It's about 10-12 pitch, 2-story. Little porch out below. They're deteriorating. They're deteriorating all down through the valley, randomly out here. This needs a estimate. It's windy and cold. I'm not measuring this. What I'm gonna do is probably, if they want an estimate on the roof, order an Eagle View report, quick square, quote it. If they want to move on, then I will upgrade that quick square report to a premium report. So then you can figure your hip, your ridge, your valley, your edge, your gable, your pitch, all that stuff. But it's cold. I'm moving on. Thank goodness for this little lightning rod cable. It has just enough grip to keep my balance, and if I were to slide, oh shit, then I got this ridge and valley to catch. Oh, if you miss that, you got another opportunity with a gutter and a valley, and then a hip. Oh no, you missed it, you got a pipe boot. Ah! Oh, careful. Last opportunity. You miss this in the gutter, you have a little wild ride. It's really not all that fun until the sudden stop. Well, that's it. Just a real quick video for you today. We're in to the cold season. That's about what we do this time of year. A lot less work. Well, the guys anyway. I'm out on a lot of stuff that doesn't pay, but gotta make it the best. A whole lot of talking to myself, trying to keep myself sane and say, why the heck do I do this? Why? I'll show you why. For a better future for my family, that's why. If you need roofing work, call this name and number right here. Subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, tell everybody and your brother you know. I need some support. Do I look goofy with that on my head? Alright, I'm out of here, off to the next one. Actually, I might actually try to get started on a small repair. Well, large repair, small roof. I'm out of here.